Hello students, this is Himantika, your computer facilitator. Today I am going to teach you the chapter 10, that is internet safety, through this video. In this video we are going to cover various topics like internet safety rules, internet risk and rules for screen names and passwords. So to begin with, as we all know that internet safety rules are necessary. But what do you mean by internet safety rules? I would like to mention about what do you mean by this at the very first go. As we all know, today is a world of internet and we all are using internet on daily basis for our school work, for chatting with friends, relatives residing in different corners of the world, for getting information on many topics, for getting news update, for watching videos and for playing games and many more things like that. So I would be right if I would say that internet is a new playground for us, but conditions apply. Now, what do you mean by conditions apply here? Well, it means we need to be safe and secure while using internet. But how? So, to keep us safe and secure, we need to follow some kind of rules or protocols while using internet. They will maximize the internet benefits and minimize the risk simultaneously. So please have a look on this same. The very first is never share your name, school, age, phone numbers, or address on any unusual website without your parent or school consent. Second, never send pictures to strangers. That means don't share your any picture to anyone to whom you don't know. Third, keep your passwords private except to parents. Here I would like to suggest that let your parents know about your password of your email account or social networking site. It might help in future. Fourth, never open any kind of email or message from stranger. It may contain virus that can lead to any fraud or virus that can harm your computer or maybe your mobile phone. Fifth, tell your parents right away if you came across something that makes you feel uncomfortable. Now, if you find something unusual, then please go ahead and let your parent know right away. Trust me, they are the ones who will save you. Six, while using Facebook or any other social networking site, always enable privacy settings. Now, what do you mean by privacy settings here? Privacy settings means that whosoever in your contact list can access your photos, post, pictures, videos, etc. But whosoever doesn't in your contact list can't access your photos and data. So please enable privacy setting while using these sites. Seventh, never go to meet the people to whom you meet online. जिससे भी आप ऑनलाइन चैट करते हैं, don't go to meet them. Eighth, please check your parents before downloading or installing any software or game or any app. It might hurt your computer and hack your data. Ninth, visit only age appropriate sites. I hope it is clear. Don't go for those sites which doesn't meant for you or your age. 10. Set your limits spent on internet. This is very much necessary for you at that stage. Please don't use internet too much because excess usage is always prohibited and harmful. So these are the common rules that we need to follow while using internet. Now, what is internet chat room safety tips? What do you mean by chat room? So, chat rooms are the ones which help you in meeting new people, making new friends, etc. These are risky too because we need to follow again several rules while using chat rooms, like don't include any part of your name, don't go into private chat rooms, don't say in a chat room that you wouldn't say in public. Let your parent know if you are chatting with someone on regular basis. Never respond to flames. Here, flames means something which is not right. So please inform your parents about the same. Don't click on links or go to sites that you aren't familiar with, and many more on the list. You can have a look on that too. Now, like every coin has two sides, similarly internet has merits and demerits, or you can say it has many risks too. So let's have a look on risk related to internet usage. The first and foremost risk is online predator. Can anybody tell what does predator means? Yes, predator means shikari. Everyone heard of this term, I believe. So, internet provides a platform to people to interact easily. If we are chatting to a person in a chat room or a stranger just for fun, we never come to know about him or her intentions. He or she might easily hack your data or easily misuse your information. So, it is always important to remember that people are often not who they say they are online. So, अगर आप किसी से चैट कर रहे हैं, आपको नहीं पता कि सामने वाला कौन है, उसके इंटेंशंस क्या है. सो बी केयरफुल while using the internet. Next possible risks are phishing and cyberbullying. Phishing is an art of sending an email to a user falsely claiming to be an established legitimate enterprises in an attempt to scam the user into surrendering private information. It is typically carried out by an email or an instant messaging. For example, you will receive a text message in your phone and it was saying that you want rupees 20,000, and to get credit this amount please send your account details by clicking the below link or by sending your details on this message. So what you do, you there are two options. Either you can go ahead and enter your details and get trapped into fraud or scam where you lose your money in your account, and the other option is you simply ignore that message and block the number. So these are the cases of phishing where we can trap easily. Next one is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying, it is when a child or a teen is tormented, threatened, harassed, humiliated, embarrassed, or otherwise targeted by another child or teen using the internet. It could be done through phone or any digital technology. And to prevent cyberbullying, we should follow few things like never respond to rude emails or messages, and if you are receiving such kind of messages, then save their screenshot and share it with your parents and complain against them. Children should be instructed to block bullies as well. So cyberbullying is a case where small children can be trapped, threatened, harassed by blackmailing through videos or something like that. So this is related to cyberbullying. Now, there were the rules and risk of internet. These were the rules of internet usage. Now, there are some other rules too for screen names and password that we set for our social networking site or chat room or instant messaging app, and they are like here. Make your password 8 or more characters long. It should be alphanumeric, means it contains number and alphabets both. It includes special characters too, like hashtag, sign, asterisk sign, dash sign, @ sign, etc. You must have noticed these kind of things while registering into any account or while creating a password for any of the site. So try to use this thing. Second, Try not to use dictionary words as password. Third, avoid using real names for screen. Fourth, skip personal details for screen name as well. Means it would be preferred that you would not use your nickname or the school name for the screen name or for the username on the website. Don't use your nickname, phone number, address as your password because it can be easily detected and hacked. Don't share your password with your friends. Give your passwords to your parents only. Change your password at least 6 months. In every 6 months, it is advisable to change your password every time. Please be careful and cautious while using internet, and do share these tips and rules with your parents, friends, and help others to save them from various scams and frauds related to internet. So let's summarize a few things we have done in this chapter through this video. We have to follow certain safety rules while accessing internet so as to protect our personal details. Phishing is carried out by email or instant messaging, and it often directs a user to visit a website that in fact to steal their personal information. Last, cyberbullying is bullying through internet application and technologies such as instant messaging, social networking site, and cell phone. So this is your chapter 10, that is internet safety. Hope it is much clear now. Please refer the book for details and this video to make the better understanding. Till the time, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.